Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited because today I have a fun beauty box. This is from the SkinStore and Omorovicza. So Omorovicza is a beautiful skincare brand from Budapest, and they are doing a special limited edition summer box, and this includes $370 worth of products for only $125. And then of course I've got a special code for you to get an additional $10 off. So this includes 5 products. I'm going to walk you through the entire box. We're going to put it on my skin, and I'm going to give you a little bit more information about this beautiful box. So if you're interested in seeing what's included in the SkinStore Omorovicza Beauty Box, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this little beauty box includes 5 skincare items from Omorovicza. You're gonna get a little booklet here all about the products and the brand. Then there's a few of my favorites in here. So you are going to get the cleansing foam, which I have used in the past. This is a gorgeous foamy gentle cleanser that's not going to strip your skin. You're gonna get my ultimate favorite face mist ever, and it comes in a limited edition bottle, and this is the Queen of Hungary mist. You guys, this smells amazing. It hydrates your skin, but literally I just want to douse myself in this mist. It smells fantastic. It's not irritating to the skin. And we'll give ourselves a little bit of a mist here. This is a 1.7 ounce mist. And again, you guys, if you've seen any of my favorite mist videos in the past, you will know that this was like one of my top favorites. So love that. Then we have the deep cleansing mask here. This is a full-size mask that you are getting. This is a full-size mask. We'll be using that today. And then you are also getting the oxygen booster to layer on a little bit of hydration. And then we're gonna finish off with the balancing moisturizer. This is like the perfect combo for summer. It's going to leave your skin super cleansed, refreshed, soft, and supple. So next I'm gonna put these products on my face and let you see them in action. Cleanse, hydrate, and nourish the skin with the Omorovicza cleansing foam. Formulated with a lavish blend of ingredients such as copper glutamate to detoxify, white lupine to energize, and boosting innovative mineral cosmetology to leave the skin feeling more firm and looking younger. Okay, face is cleansed. This just smells absolutely lovely, and I am not usually a foam girl, but this cleansing foam, it does not strip your skin. So I have used this in the past and I just find it to be lovely. It smells divine. This whole line does. And after I cleanse my face, I like to give myself a little hydration spritz. And in this box, you're going to be getting one of my favorites, and this is the Queen of Hungary mist. So you guys, I have had this in the past. This is a special limited edition bottle, and it just is so good. So number one, it has a really lovely spritzer on it. I love like when it's just finely misted over the face, and this just smells so divine. So we're gonna let that kind of sink into my skin and then move on to the deep cleansing mask. This is another item you're gonna be getting in this special box, and I have used this in the past and it is just amazing. This is the deep cleansing mask. This deep cleansing mask purifies your complexion to reveal a natural radiance. It utilizes the world-renowned healing waters of Hungary, combined with unique mineral muds to even out your skin tone and add a nice finish. Your skin will feel uplifted after just one treatment with this Pannin Complex Enriched formula. Okay, my mask is off. I'm again gonna do a little spritz of the Queen of Hungary spray. This is just gonna again add a little hydration to the skin, but my skin feels super soft, very supple, and not dry. So I'm just gonna give a little bit of this. Okay, I wish we had smell-o-vision because this smells so good. Then the next step is going to be the Oxygen Booster. So this is going to be another layer of hydration. Beautiful bottles. It's nice little gel kind of serum. The Oxygen Booster harnesses the power of an ingenious delivery system to deliver oxygen molecules deep into the epidermis for a dramatic effect. Instantly, the complexion appears plumped and wrinkles appear minimized. The complexion recovers a youthful radiance. So you can use this just as a serum, or you can mix it into your favorite moisturizer. Then last but not least, we are going to be putting on the Balancing Moisturizer. And I'm just going to take this. This is a very lovely gel-based moisturizer. This is actually going to control shine as well as give you long-lasting hydration. So probably best for more combo skins, but I have used this in the past and it just is lovely. I think it's perfect for the summertime when I don't quite need as much hydration on my skin. Skin is prepped for the day. I'm gonna go put on my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got my face on now. Skin feels lovely, very hydrated, very cleansed, super soft. I'm so excited to be sharing this beauty box with you. You guys, this is a $350 value. It is $125. As you saw, you get a lot of fantastic products included in this special box. It is $125, but I also have a $10 off code for you guys. If you use the code Abby, you can get an additional $10 off. So I'll leave all that information in the description box along with the link, but I definitely will tell you this is worth every little penny. Super fun. And again, you guys, I hope you have a fabulous start to your week, and I will talk to you guys soon.